Welcome to SADX. Square roots and cube roots of exercise 1.6 Cambridge Learner's Book 7. Today we will start our video from number 6. Let's start. Number 6. Here mention, work out the integer that is closest to root 15, root 66, root 150. So first we have to know what is integer. Integer is a simple whole number, no decimal, no fraction. Okay, so first one, number A, root 15. So this root 15 we have to find out the closest integer. So first look, first let's say 3 square equals to 9 and 4 square equals to 16. So this 15 is between number 9 and 16, right? So we can write, so root 15 is between 3 and 4, right? It's true. So now look, 15 minus 9 equals to 6 and 16 minus 5, right? Because 15 is a smaller than 16. So 16 minus 5 equals to 1. So which is the closest? So closer to 4. So our answer 4. Okay. Number B, root 66. Similar. So 8 square is 64 and 9 square is what? 81. So 66 is between 64 and 81. So between 8 and 9. Now look, 66 minus 64 equals to 2 and 81 minus 66 equals to what? 15. So easily the closest difference is 2. Therefore we can say, so closer to what? Closer to 8. Answer 8. Numbers A and B done. Now number C, 150. Number C, root 150. So let's think 12 square. 12 square we know 144 and 13 square equals to 169, right? So it's between, so it's between 12 and 13. Now we have to find out the difference. 150 minus 144, difference is 6, and 169 minus 150, difference is what? Difference 19. So closer to what? So closer to 12. So answer 12. Okay. So 15 closer to 4, root 66 closer to 8, root 150 closer to 12. So number 6 done. So I am trying to solve step by step. You should also follow like this, or if you find out any better thing, you should write that one. So number 7 we will start now. Number 7, A. Show that root 90 is between 9 and 10. So let's find out, is it right or wrong. If we make a square 9 square means what? 81, and 110 square means 100, right? Since 81 less than what? 90 and less than 100, so we can say 90 is between 81 and 100. It means 9 and 10. So we can say yes, root 90 is between 9 and 10. So A, done. Number B. Number B of 7, find two consecutive integers to complete this sentence. So 180 is between what? So look, 180 against we can write 13 square equals to what? 169, and 14 square equals to 196. 13 and 14 is a consecutive number, right? So since 169 is less than 180 and less than 196, so root 180 is between what? Between 13 and 14. 14 is a consecutive number. Now similar question, number C, find two consecutive integers to complete this sentence. Cubic root of 90 is between. So this is number C. Cubic 90 is between this one and this one. So let's find cubic 90, sorry, not 99, it's a 90. Now look, 4 cube means 64 and 5 cube equals to 125. If you want, you can test like this: 1 cube equals to 1, 2 cube equals to 8, 3 cube equals to 27, and finally 4 cube equals to what? 64. 5 cube equals to 125. So 64 and 125, cubic number is 4 and 5. Therefore 4 and 5 is a consecutive number. So we can say, since 64 is less than 90 and less than 125, so cubic root of 90 is between what? 4 and 5. So our answer is 4 and 5. Okay, so very simple. We are try to find out the result. Number 7 done. Now our question 8. Question 8 we can write in here. Look, number A, use a calculator to find out 17 square. 17 square, it means 17 times 17. Our result is 289. We can use calculator because we get permission. Number B, complete this statement, which is, this is square and here is blank, equals to 17. So here is should be 289, right? Because 289 against this one we can write 17 square, and 17 square to the 17 square times against root we can write 1 by 2, 2 and 2 out, so it will be 17. So our answer is what? Root 289. So no more today. This video also I am trying to solve 3 math. So 1 to 5 you will get first video, and second video you will get 6 to 8. So next day we will start from number 9. We are in Cambridge Lower Secondary Mathematics Learner's Book 7. Our topics square roots and cubic roots. We are trying to solve, or we are start exercise 1.6. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you very much for being with me.